your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also I brought for you from the fancy segment. If I talk about this segment, you're watching at my back end the beautiful lovely boxes of the Kesaria Textile brand logo with the red color combination with the boxes. Such a beautiful Rangoli print pattern. These all collections are fancy printed lightweight stonework sarees. This video will be very helpful to you retailers, dealers, wholesalers. Keep watching this video. In this you have a color charts of 11 to 12 colors, individual color where you can see different design and different colors. So this will be retailers. You have a multiple huge profit in the collections. So keep watching this video. You can buy at COD options, buy advance payments, bookings. So India plus international as well. So subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. For the manufacturers, you can directly contact to start your clothing business. If I talk about these varieties are huge profitable. This collections, I am going to take you to the collections where I have two samples I am going to show you. These individual boxes are having the 11 to 12 colors of the sarees, and I am going to show you just have a look of these varieties of sarees. All are stonework sarees which is silver stone finishing, and this collections are lace border highlighted saree with the fancy work. Nowadays ladies, especially the women who are really looking for the stonework sarees. These collections are the saree. In this you can see here there is a stone fixed sticked on the saree. This is a designer fancy saree. So keep watching this video and quickly I am going to show you. Enjoy this video, share with your friends, relatives and everyone, and you can also directly contact. The first pattern, such a beautiful coffee color with the dark navy blue color combination. Raksha is the code with the beautiful pattern with the blouse, I can say, which is 630 meters of the saree. In this you have a color combination of creamish color or baby pinkish color of the blouse, and this is a lace. Satin lace has been fixed on the saree and the silver stone. Raksha is the code. Such a beautiful. Next color, dark color. Dark color, what color? Which is a magenta color. In the dark also this color very highlights, okay, which is an onion pinkish lace border with the navy blue. This is a leheria base pattern where they given the leaf print with a beautiful floral navy blue with the onion pinkish satin has been laced, and in this also you have a Raksha as the code. In this you have a 630 meters of the saree. Next saree, yellow with lemon color, which is a beautiful multi-print, casual and stylish look. See, this is a saree, such a pretty. There's a casual painting pattern which is printed, and the peach color combination with the stone. Every saree you will find out the stonework sarees. Next pattern, two-tone saree, two-tone color, which is a dark come light, which is a blue shade, ocean blue with a lavender base. This is a base. Such a pretty saree. In this also you have a beautiful color combination, which is a unique print of the floral and the work. Uncountable stone as fixed on this. So all these subtle colors are very demanded at the market. Now I am going to show you multi-color, multi-print, multi-based unique design. Tomato red with navy blue with creamish color. This is a floral pattern printed. Heavy print, heavy work, heavy print. In this you have a combination of the one of the blue color combination. This is also one of the pattern. All these sarees are having such a beautiful print. Next saree, blue with grey color. Classy colors, I can say classy colors. Very stylish print I can say, which is one of the casual and stylish, which is one of the pink color combination of the lace and grey color border. In that there is a print also as well as stone and the designer. All these exclusive collections you can take a chart, and this collections you no need to worry about the damages, no need to worry about the quality. One is a lavender color, such a pretty color. And this also you have a zigzag pattern, which is a semicircle pattern. You have a sharp leaf print. This is also one of the unique design. All these collections are very pretty. And in this I'm going to show you one of the Rangoli print based. This is also one of the pattern. So I'm just showing you, these are all sarees are very lightweight and very pretty. And I have a even Rani color with a creamish color, bold print. See, bold print. Raksha with blouse, all the codes are with blouse. Raksha is the code. Printed loose lightweight sarees with the stonework sarees, silver stone finishing with the designer digital printed, multi printed, two-tone shade, light colors. These all have exclusive collections. If we talk about this, sarees are low range. What will be the price? Factory price, if we talk about manufacturing cost, around 130, in between the 130 rupees you can purchase. I have not mentioned here the actual prices, but this collections in the market, there is a double, triple margin also, you have a profit. So you have to purchase in this, as I showed you the boxes, in this boxes you will get 11 to 12 colors. Every individual color is having a beautiful box packing. So you can easily share with your friends, relatives, you can gift also. No damages, no quality issues. For regular updates, keep watching the website page, social media pages. You can talk to our online team sales executives. There is a WhatsApp, there's a numbers which are scrolling on the screen. You can just take down, you can communicate in according to your language. There will be a sales executives, and you can easily do live video calling purchase also in the shop. You can visit purchase 9:30 to 8:30, which is located Ring Road, Kesaria Millennium Textile Building, first floor. Kamela Darwaja, from Surat railway station 10 minutes, from airport 30 minutes. There is a pickup drop facilities also. Sea services, cargo services, international mix and advanced booking payments you can do. COD pan India is available. These are huge benefits. So contact Kesaria Manufacturers. Let me know in the comment box which city you're watching the video and following me, and subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Keep supporting me. Which collection you liked it and what are the requirements of your collections you're looking for. Let me know in the comment box. Next video will come up with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.